Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and nothing's better in the summertime than a slider. Like a burger, but small and cute. And these sliders are super healthy and fresh. So grab your food processor, it's time for some 3-seed vegan sliders. Let's get into it. Food processor is our instrument of choice today. Start off with equal parts chia seed, flax seed, and hemp seed. Give that a couple good pulses so they get blended together. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get the seeds slightly broken up. Set the seeds aside and move on to some veggies. Take a carrot, some celery, and a quarter of an onion and chop all into smallish chunks. Add the veggies to the food processor and blend until there are no chunks remaining. Add the blended seeds back into the processor along with a sprinkle of salt and continue blending until all the veggies and seeds are evenly mixed. You may need to scrape the sides down occasionally. Now grab a lined baking sheet and begin making your patties. Form 6 even balls of the mixture and space them evenly across the baking sheet. Gently press down and flatten the balls into small discs about 3/4 of an inch thick. Set the pan into the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Chilling the patties helps the mixture bond together so they are less likely to fall apart. Now take the pan and place it into a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Flip the patties over and place back into the oven for another 20 minutes. While those finish baking, let's whip up a dressing to top our sliders with. Sorry processor, it's blender time. Let's make a simple cashew dressing, starting with cashews and almond milk. Now go some apple cider vinegar, salt, and dill. Give that a good blend until you have a completely smooth, thick sauce. Now grab your favorite buns, slather some of that dressing on there, and plop a patty on it. Keeping with the healthy, fresh vibes, lay some alfalfa sprouts and sliced tomatoes on top. Let's double down with another and let's plate this dish. All right, let's do this. This burger tastes super fresh and vibrant, and it is amazing cold, making it perfect for any sort of summer get-together or picnic. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite summertime dishes are down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any more plant-based dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Oh, look at that. Look how nice and crisp it is. And, oh, no!
Oh, jeez.
Oh, no!
Runaway Patty.
Now I'm going to put it back.